Alright, I'm here at 915 Oak Street. We are cameraing the main line coming through the bathroom and out to the sewer. Alright, we have found a joint that has some scaling and some roots coming through. I did send the cleaner before this, so we cleaned a lot of the roots out, but this is a possibility of an area that in the future might cause problems at 31 feet 3 inches. These next couple feet, there's a small belly in the pipe This is where water is not draining down naturally, but will go. And we hit this transition, and then it stops the belly. Alright, here at about 44 feet, we just passed through a belly, and now water is setting again. You can see on the sides I've got scale buildup where the pipe is starting to deteriorate. And we will see what we pass through here. So this is a big belly, about 5 feet long right now. And then we do get out of it at 50 feet 10 inches. I'm going to back up the camera and pass back through that. Alright, I just backed it up about 5 feet, and we're going to go back through where that belly is. You can see the scaling on the pipe. Now it looks like it's still holding water and that the pipe hasn't been completely compromised, but with this belly it is holding water here. Again, we're out of that small compromised area and back into good looking pipe. Alright, 72 feet out and we are entering the main sewer. All in all, the pipe looks good. There's that small belly, but it looks like it's holding water and it hasn't retained any soil, and the pipe isn't fully compromised. I'm going to pull the camera back now, and we will stop recording once I get to the end. between 50 feet and 44 feet. This is that bad section of pipe. Again, looks like it's holding water and things are draining, but this will be the problem area, if any, on this line. This is coming straight out of my bend. Because of that bend in the transition, the cable didn't get all of the roots. There's a minimal amount of root intrusion right here. This is the only area that was evident, aside from further up where it was able to cut it all. Again, we're right on the transition coming into the horizontal run towards the main sewer. I'm at the toilet flange. This is going to end the recording.